In this lab, we're going to create a vSphere with Tanzu Namespace. So first navigate to Menu, Workload Management, and the Namespaces tab, and click New Namespace. Expand the inventory if needed and select the cluster, and enter namespace-01 as the name. Click Create. First thing we'll need to assign are some permissions for the namespace, so click Add Permissions. Select the vSphere.local identity source and search for the DevOps01 user in the user and group search. For the role, select Can Edit and click OK. Next, let's assign some storage to this namespace, so click Add Storage and select the K8s storage policy and click OK. Lastly, we need to assign a VM class to this namespace, so in the VM service tile, click Add VM class and select Best Effort Extra Small from the list. This will correspond with the size of the Tanzu Kubernetes grid cluster we will deploy in a later lab. Now let's switch to our CLI VM and log in using kubectl vSphere login. Once logged in, run kubectl config get-context to list the available namespaces for this user. We can see that namespace 01 is listed and is the current context. If we want to force a change to this context, we can use kubectl config use context command. And we can see more information about the namespace using kubectl describe ns and the namespace name. Here we can see some information about the namespace, including its name and the storage policy that has been applied. We can log out using kubectl vSphere logout. And that concludes this lab.